Welcome back to the UpNLive Show. It's your boy DJ Rick UpNLive. Each and every week we bring you the freshest, the artist talents straight from London, UK, right here, the underground market, the unsigned artists. But this week we have a special guest, as we always do, Mr. Jayshavish. I hope I get that right. Did I get it right? Did I get it right?
You get it right.
Welcome to the set. I'm not going to try it again, so I'm actually happy that we get to the set. Before we go any further, can you just introduce yourself? Who is Jayshavish?
Jayshavish, formerly known as Juvenile. You get me?
Okay,
So
that makes no sense.
My thing I come from. I've been about for a long time now. Like work with artists alongside artists like Frost, Styler G, the whole Warning crew basically. You get me? So
Yeah.
long time I do music realistically.
So why the name change though? Why the name change?
The name change. It kind of changed. You know, like people change over time.
Yeah.
Personality change. You become different. You grow. You get me? So for me, the name change is a part of growth. You get me?
Okay, so basically you're going from one level to
Yeah,
the
it's
next
a
level.
transition. Yeah.
Okay.
You get me? So I feel like I reach a transition period where a time for a change, a stomach kid in a sense.
It's a time for a change. Yeah, because the stomach kid one word every time.
Mm-hmm.
Were you born here in the UK, or are you from born in Jamaica?
I'm born in Jamaica.
Born in Jamaica, so you came here at a young age.
Yeah. Came here when I was 14 years old.
Okay. So what introduced you to the music side of life?
From a child still, because my father used to do music as well. He wasn't successful, you get me? But he used to do music, and I used to watch him do his thing, and you get me? And as a youth, me love music too, you get me? From
Was
watching him.
he an artist or was he a DJ?
Yeah, he was an artist still, you get me? But he wasn't like a big artist, like a big known artist. He was just like a man that loved music. And
Okay.
he used to do him like a free, you know, like
Yeah.
everybody used to
On the
do
block,
on the
yeah.
sound system and them do them thing,
Yeah.
you get me? Yeah, like that still.
So you've gained the passion from watching your father
Yeah,
doing
and
the...
other artists, you get me? I grew up around and everything.
So what kind of artist are you? What kind of music do you do?
Me, originally I started off as a dancer artist, but then coming from Jamaica, being in England, you grow and then you change and then transition begins, in it. So
Yeah.
for me now, I haven't got a genre. Like my genre is basically like it's basically a new breed of music.
Okay.
Like you'll never hear. So you hear me talk pattern and then you hear me talk English.
English, yeah. So it's kind of I'm getting the mix,
Yeah.
but that's good though, because it works sometimes. It works
Yeah.
depending on how you deliver it.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
So interestingly, I definitely would like to hear some of the songs that you're talking about.
100%.
You say you've been in UK for since what 14,
14,
so
yeah.
quite a number of years. Were you doing any music when you were in Jamaica before?
No, I basically where music's. I used to like make my own beats and stuff like that when I was young, but never really took it serious or nothing. And when I actually started taking music serious, when I met Styler G.
Okay.
So, and then Styler G, he heard my music and he thought, oh, good music in it, him like it. So he said, yo, come on, you get me?
Okay.
And
So
then
basically
we go
you start with the Warning crew.
Yeah, that's where the thing starts from.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds very interesting. So shout out to the Warning crew. Shout out to Stammer Kid as well. He's very, very persistent. I'm going to speak up Stammer Kid. Respect you. One of our biggest. I'm one of the biggest fans of Stammer Kid, trust me. So in terms of you for new material, do you have anything out now at the moment?
Yeah, like basically, because of the transition period, like I'm starting to drop music under my new name in it. So basically, I've got over the next month or so, 2 months, I'll probably have maybe like up to 10 videos coming out.
Wow.
So,
that
yeah.
10 videos.
Yeah, a lot of stuff happening really.
How did you do 10 videos at once? That's
No, they'll come out maybe like once every 2 weeks. You have a new video drop, or once every week you have a new video drop. So you understand. So it's like basically where it is. I've been working a lot in it, like in the studio, shooting a lot of videos,
okay.
etc. So it's like I've got like a stockpile of music waiting to come out, like under the new name Jayshavish. You get me? So yeah, like one was released today on Grand Daily. My Panda remix, you get me? Came out today on Grand Daily. That's also gonna be on my Vivo channel as well.
Yeah, but how? This is what most artists release one song per year or one video. You're doing 10 songs, 10 videos at a time.
The thing is,
that sounds mental.
You see, the thing is about when you want to gain success or you want to get something in life, work rate is very important.
That's true.
So for me, right now it's like a grinding period. You get me? So over the next year, there's gonna be so much music coming out. Like I've got a lot of shows, like upcoming shows and stuff like that. So you know what I mean? Like I'm trying to grind to match the, because I'm getting shows as well. So because the shows are coming in, like I'm trying to grind to match up the shows, so people are getting music as I'm performing. They can go back on YouTube, etc. Watch my videos. You get me? So that everything just come together. You understand?
Okay, so you sound like you have a fan base already from the previous. How hard do you think it's gonna be to transfer all those fans from the juvenile days to Jayshavish?
Not being big-headed or nothing, but the talent did you get me? So for me, I don't feel like it's gonna be hard to really get people to grasp my music all over again. You understand? For me, it's like, and people that already know me, they'll still listen to my music anyway. So.
Well, you're on grime daily then. That means you must be some form of a grime artist, or you do grime music.
Like some music now.
You're all over the place.
Genre. No, it's not. It's just my music is a specific genre, but it's a genre that's not in existence.
Okay.
You understand?
So
it's like I'm creating my own genre.
Yeah.
So it's like something that the world may have never experienced before, for instance. You understand?
Okay, we will be looking and we'll be checking to see this, because I'm very interested to know what this new genre is.
Yeah.
Maybe I can become a part of it. You never know, I could be the next big thing. I probably can write the next song, and I'll be probably on some other show introduce myself as an artist. But for you, as you said, you have 10 new videos coming out now.
Yeah.
And you have loads of stuff from the juvenile days, and now you're changing over to Jayshavish.
Yeah.
From the experience of the juvenile days, how has the business changed then until now?
Music's changed because, like, you know, like first time, even for instance, simple stuff like CDs and stuff like that, they don't exist no more. Everything is based online.
Online.
So, yeah, so music in general has changed. Like the context of which people express music now is a lot different to the way it was like 10, 15 years ago, for instance. Like you have the likes of Alkaline and people like that, like for namesake, you understand? Which their music is completely different from
what was
Shabba Ranks or Ninja Man or Bounty Killer, for instance, you understand? So yeah, music has changed drastically. Really.
And what do you bring to the table as someone with experience? What difference do you bring to the table?
What I bring to the table is change. Versatility. Something like I bring music where that dancehall, it's not just dancehall that the world never experienced before. You get me?
How is the UK economy in terms of the music side to you? Do you think that it's in a good place? Is there anything that needs to be changed, or you're happy with how it is at the moment?
To be honest, I don't really watch what it's like, because the thing is, if anything you want in a life, you just have to work for it, you get me? And put your all in it, make sure so you gain what you want from it. You know what I mean? You can't really alright, say for instance the dancehall scene in the UK. It's a very difficult scene, but like for instance people like Styler G and people like Gappy Ranks, they prove that if you put the work in and the time and effort, you can gain what you want from it. You understand?
Definitely.
That's what it is.
It seems like you have your head screwed on properly, your cap's well fitted, and you have a mission, and we like that, and hopefully in the future you will achieve more than what you deserve, because you're changing from the transition from juvenile over to Jayshavish. I'm actually getting it right now. Before I was struggling.
No man, you still get it wrong.
Still I get it wrong? No, but you need to correct me, because people watching online.
You're gonna make them. You're going to put it for them see anyway, you know what I mean? So,
true that. Anyways, but hopefully we can get some of the songs, even one of the songs right here in the UpNLive Show today. But before we go, can you just tell people how to find your music on social media and all of the places?
Basically just at Jayshavish for Facebook, Twitter, everything.
But not even for the camera, but for me. Can you spell that Jayshavish, please?
It's Jayshhavish.
There you have it. Now I'm gonna have to listen back to this, try to get it properly, because hopefully I don't make any more mistake. But anyway, stick and stay. We're gonna be having Jayshavish on set right here, giving us one of the baddest songs in the UK. UpNLive Show right here. Finally get the right name and get the name correct at the end of the show. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah? Respect. Man, that's all.